Okay, this demo is showing you our AI workout builder. So you might be thinking, oh, I don't want AI to generate my workouts for me. I'm a coach. Well, just think of it as doing what you would normally do, except you don't have to drag and drop and click around and change text boxes and change values. You can just describe to the AI what you want and it will generate that for you, and then you can make any changes that you want to customize it later. So let's get started. So create with AI. You can also create your workouts manually as you normally would. This is just an option. So you got two ways to create workouts: structured intervals, which is your traditional structured workouts with sets of intervals and repeats, etc., or just text-based instructions. So that's for more basic workouts or strength-based workouts, things that don't typically require intervals. So I'm going to show you today the structured intervals, and I'm going to do a running workout. And I use the aerobic fitness as a goal, and I'm going to do a 90-minute workout. You can also do a distance-based workout if you want. And I'm going to use percentage of threshold pace. You can also use training zones or RPE. And you can add additional targets as well. So some of your athletes might have power meter for running even, or they might only have heart rate, they might not have GPS. So if you add those additional types, then you won't have to create different workouts for every athlete. And you can choose which tone you want to use. I'm going to use a motivational tone here. And then we've got these two boxes here. So this advanced instructions in here. So these are instructions that you want the AI to use every time it generates a workout. So this will get saved when you enter it in here. So that could be around how you want your workout structured in the description, that you want an intro and then a body and then a sign off or something like that. Or particular principles that you want the AI to consider every time it creates your workouts. Custom instructions is the instructions for this workout this time. So I'm going to say create a warm-up, then a set of 6 intervals before a steady state, then a cool down. Okay, so you can give it as much detail as you want. The more detail you give it, the better it'll get closer to what you actually want. So now I'm going to hit generate workout. And then at the moment, this is getting faster and faster as the AI gets better and better, but should take anything between 10 and 20 seconds right now. Here we go. So yes, it's done exactly what I asked for: a warm-up, a set of 6 intervals, a steady state, and then a cool down. Cool thing here, you can adjust the intensity by just dragging that up and down a bit. So maybe it didn't make it quite as hard as you wanted it, or maybe it made it too hard. Then you can just drag and drop that down. And then after you've done that, you can hit regenerate description, and it'll regenerate it based on what you've done with that drag and drop. But I'm just going to leave it as is here. And I'm going to go, you can start over, or you can give it another shot too with the regenerate button, but I'm just going to go with this as is. Save and customize. And now it just brings it into our normal workout screen here, so you can make any changes you want. You don't have to rely on exactly what the AI has created for you, or you can go in to use our workout builder, and you can actually use the interval builder here as well manually.